everyone. Welcome back to Reading with Rosie. Today I'm going to read a book called Recipe for a Story by Ella Burfoot. And at the bottom it says, How to Cook Up Your Very Own Book. And I thought, wow, that sounds really fun. So I found my chef's hat and I'm ready to create a recipe for a story. I am going to cook a book. I'll break some thoughts into a cup. I'll beat them, whisk them, mix them up. I'll weigh out the words, just enough. Choosing the right ones can be tough. The small ones go into the pot. And what? I'll drop some big words from a height. Elephant, crocodile, dynamite. Now that my story has begun, I'll cut out characters one by one. Feelings, colours, sounds, a picture, all add flavour to my mixture. Sad words, giggly word preserve, words of love. I'll add a watery word or two. I'll pour them in and stir them through. Splish, splosh, splash, drip or sprinkle, glug and gurgle, squelch and tinkle. Well, there are some fantastic words there. Now I'll put a lid on it. Wait a while. Let it sit. It's not until I roll it out that I'll find out what it's all about. And now I'll lay it in the tin so my characters can jump in. Next, the middle, the action, the filling, into the pan without any spilling. Now, all I'll do is simply add a spoon of good and a pinch of bad. Turn up the heat, let the bubbles quicken, and then my plot begins to thicken. Every sentence will taste much better if I add a full stop and a capital letter. But where did I put them? I've seen them myself. Here they are, in the cupboard, on the top shelf. Full stop, capital letter. Lastly, the ending. I'll press it down and add decoration all around. I will glaze with happiness, leave it to cook, then bake it, brown it, and finish my book. I turn the pages and I can tell that my recipes turned out well. I've done everything that I need to make my story a delicious read. Lots of fun things in that book. Now you have all the ingredients. Why not cook up a story of your own? Do you think you could have a go at that? Cooking up a story of your own, using lots of different words to create the story? I think you can. Have a try, and I'll see you soon.